Getting sick can cause a lot of stress. As flu season approaches, a rapid antigen test can quickly check if you've been infected with the flu at home. That's why you'll want to get the WELLlife COVID-19 Influenza A and B home test. One of the first home testing kits issued for FDA's emergency use authorization, WELLlife's home test kit lets you quickly find out what illness you have. Because it detects antigens within 5 days of symptoms onset, you can get more accurate results over a broader testing period. It's also easy to use. This is especially helpful for parents of young kids or elderly patients. You only need to insert the nasal swab about 3/4 of an inch into both nostrils. Plus, you get results in just 10 minutes, and you don't need a prescription. It's available over the counter both online and in stores, and it's even on sale for this week's Amazon Prime Days too. These WELLlife home test kits come in a range of convenient pack sizes, allowing you to choose the ideal combination of flu and COVID tests specifically designed for your needs. So avoid anxiety this flu season. Don't waste time wondering if you or someone in your family has the flu or COVID. Make sure you have a WELLlife home test kit so you can recover faster. WELLlife, a flu test and more.